Do you want to start your own Minecraft YouTube channel but don't know where to start? Well, hang in there because I'm going to show you how to do just that. The very first thing that you'll need to do is create yourself a Google account. If you already have a Google account, go down to the description where I've included all the timestamps to go to each section of this video. The first thing you'll need to do is go to google.com and then go over to sign in. Instead of using the email that I have here, we're going to create a new one. So click on Use Another Account. Now go down here and create an account for myself. This will bring you to your Create Your Google Account page. Now enter your first name, your last name, and a username that you prefer to use. Honestly, I strongly recommend your username being the same thing as your Minecraft name. Everything needs to match for branding purposes. Also, make sure you create a nice, strong password so that you can keep your content safe. And now we land on this page where we're going to have to enter some more information. Now, the phone number and the recovery email address are optional, but your birth date is not optional. You will have to enter that, as well as a gender. Once you enter all that information and click enter, it'll bring you to the privacy and terms page. I strongly recommend that you read over this thoroughly so that you can make sure that you're not breaking any Google terms of service. And then click on agree. Clicking agree will bring you back to the Google page. Now, if we look up in the top right corner, we can confirm that we are in fact logged in due to this little S here. Hover over that and it will show your name and your account. Now let's head over to YouTube. So go up to your search bar and type in youtube.com and press enter. Once the page loads up in the top right corner, you'll see where it says sign in. Go ahead and click that. Make sure you choose the right account and then type in your password and then either hit enter or click next. And of course, now it's going to confirm. So go ahead and make sure you confirm it in whichever way it's asking you to do so. And then remember to save your password if this is your computer and it's not going to be shared with anyone. Next, go back up to the top right-hand corner and click on your logo and then go down to create a channel. This little thing will pop up where it says your creator journey begins. Make sure you click on get started. Now we can choose how to create the channel. We can use our actual name, which I do not recommend you do. If you're playing Minecraft, you're going to want your Minecraft name on here. So we're going to select use a custom name. That'll bring this page up where you can actually type in the name that you want. So the name I'm going to pick is from my Dunston cam. That's my second Minecraft account. Then we have to click down here saying that we understand that we're creating a new Google account with its own settings included. So click on that and then click create. Your channel Dunston Cam has been created. So congratulations, you just made your first YouTube channel. But sadly, we are not done yet. We've got a long ways to go on setting up the channel to make sure it's just right before we start uploading. So the very next thing you need to do is upload a picture. So we're going to click on upload picture. That'll bring up your files folder, and I think I'm going to use my brain fart emoji on this one. So this looks pretty good to me. I think we're going to use that. Now we need to scroll down, and I've already filled this part out, but let me explain what you need in the About section. So this says tell viewers about your channel. This does not mean come in here and share a bunch of links and all that. This is wanting to know specifically what do you do on this channel, what viewers expect to see when they come here, and so forth. So give us a paragraph on that. This is not a place to waffle on about you or anything else. This is for your channel. Then we scroll down to add links to your sites. This is not recommended at all if you are first starting out on YouTube. This is more like if you get over 1,000 subscribers or such, because if you start sending people off platform, you're doing the complete opposite that YouTube wants you to do. And the thing that YouTube wants you to do is keep people on this platform. Keep them watching YouTube as long as possible. Now that that's out of the way, let's click Save and Continue. Now it's asking you to upload a video. You can do this if you want, but I strongly recommend not doing that just yet because we're going to go in and start setting up the rest of your channel. Let's continue on with going up to the top right corner where it says Customize Channel. After clicking Customize Channel, you will land on the layout page, and we will cover this in another video. For right now, we're trying to get your branding going and get you started uploading videos. The next thing I want to show you is branding. So let's go click on branding up at the top left, and we can see what we have going through here. So what we're looking at here at the top is the profile picture. We've already got one set. I don't think we need to change it. It looks fine the way it is, and I am happy with it. Now we need to find a banner image. So let me click on the upload, and I'm going to select this image right here because this is what I have on my main channel, and the size is just right. I've got it cropped in just right, but that's another thing for another time. See right here, it fits perfectly in this area, viewable on all devices. And this area here is viewable on desktop. And then you go up here, this is viewable on TV. So it shows you exactly what you're going to see on each device. Make sure that whatever you put there And I do not recommend putting your name there because they already see your name. And to be honest, you're just starting out. Your name does not matter. What you need to put here is what you're doing on your channel. Give me 8 words or less, one sentence. Make it simple, make it clear what your channel is about. Now I'm going to click done, and that's going to upload that header. And the last little bit that we have to do with channel customization is upload a watermark. This is the image that shows up at the bottom right corner of the videos that you watch on YouTube. This is part of your branding. So I'm actually going to choose this little guy right here. So yeah, that brain fart looks pretty good. It's inside the square and everything is good to go. Now we've got ourselves a nice little watermark. And I'm also going to come down here and go to a custom start time. Give them about 15 to 20 seconds of watching your video before that pops up, because when people click on that, they will automatically subscribe to your channel. Now let's go on to basic info. Click on basic info and go all the way down to the bottom where it says contact info. Type in your email address here because brands and other people that want to collaborate with you are going to see this and they're going to be able to contact you to work with you. And once you get done setting up your email, make sure you go up to the top right corner and click publish. Let me know in the comments below what was your biggest takeaway from this video. I look forward to helping you grow your YouTube channel in the future. Stay safe, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next one.